Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at eToro. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Since 2007, eToro has evolved into one of the most trusted and most popular Nasdaq 100 and stock brokers. If you are new to trading, eToro offers an incredible trading academy for beginners, but experienced traders can also use the academy to refine their skills. The educational content provided by eToro is free to use and covers many different topics, including crypto trading, investing, trading, and more. This broker is trusted by more than 25 million people worldwide and is also available to United States citizens. If you would like to diversify your investment portfolio, eToro offers more than 2,700 stocks with zero commission trading guaranteed, as well as 51 cryptocurrencies, over 200 ETFs, and plenty of commodities, indices, and Forex pairs. eToro offers a user-friendly website, and you can find more information about the company, trading instruments, platforms, and educational resources by either using the menu bar at the top of the page or by scrolling to the very bottom of the homepage. There are direct links to different products and services, such as buying cryptocurrencies, copy trading, and stock trading on the homepage, and all information about disclaimers, regulations, and other legal documentation can easily be found at the bottom of the page. To see more detailed information about the instruments offered by eToro, hover your cursor over the trading section on the menu bar and click on Trade Markets on eToro, or on CFD trading or crypto trading. Alternatively, you can scroll to the bottom of the homepage to see top instruments traded. eToro's accounts feature a minimum deposit of $50 and a maximum leverage of 1 to 30. Traders can trade in a wide variety of tradable market instruments, including stocks, commodities, indices, Forex, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is fully regulated by the FCA, CYSCC, and the ASIC, and features swap-free accounts, demo accounts, and its very own proprietary trading application. eToro has a thriving community that supports all trading styles. But instead of providing multiple account types, eToro clients can choose between a retail account and a professional account. Demo accounts and swap-free accounts are also available for beginners and clients of the Muslim faith. In addition to offering two types of investment accounts, eToro also offers a money account that can be used to withdraw funds from your eToro investment account, make deposits, and manage your assets. The eToro Money debit card is free, and there are no setup costs or monthly fees. eToro's money application is linked to your eToro Money account, and you can use it to send, store and receive cash and cryptocurrencies, manage your card, and access exclusive features. The eToro retail account is a flexible, all-in-one account that is suitable for copy traders, social traders, and beginners. This account can be used to trade over 2,700 stocks, 51 cryptocurrencies, 32 commodities, 49 Forex pairs, 13 indices, and 264 ETFs. The eToro retail account also allows users to stake cryptocurrencies, and it can be used for copy trading. Retail accounts have limited leverage, but retail clients are covered by the Investor Compensation Fund and the Financial Ombudsman Service. They also receive negative balance protection and margin closeout restrictions. The eToro Professional account offers all the same features as the retail account, but offers much higher leverage, and only customers registered under eToro UK and eToro EU can apply to be a professional client. The account verification process is much more complex, and you must apply for a professional account to meet certain criteria before you will be able to trade as a professional client. Professional clients waive certain ESMA protections, such as the Investor Compensation Fund and recourse to the Financial Ombudsman Service. The eToro trading platform simplifies data exchange between traders and speeds up sharing experiences while featuring an advanced and revolutionary currency trading software. This enables Forex beginners to easily enter the world of trading via a user-friendly interface and a highly customizable platform. eToro's trading software gives a visual representation of transactions, which helps intuitive trading, while it brings together social and promotional features such as a traders community chat and trading contests. MetaTrader and WebTrader include charts and calendars and are available in a demo account. The eToro trading application is available on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Opening an account with eToro is simple and easy. Firstly, on their website, click on the Sign Up button. Next, you will want to enter your email address and choose a password for your account, and then verify your email address, your account, and identity. And after your account has been verified, you can start trading. Traders who are looking to open a demo account with eToro can easily click on the trading section and navigate to Demo Account. Once you have registered your account, the next thing you'll want to do is complete the verification process. And once your account is verified, you can easily simply start trading. This is the eToro trading application. In the center, you have your watch list, and you can easily add any preferred markets to your watch list by clicking on the Add Markets button. After which, you can click on the market you have added to your watch list, and you can choose to navigate to the news feed of the preferred market, browse statistics, or view your chart. eToro offers a wide variety of platform tutorial videos that cover everything you need to know about their trading application to help you get started. With regards to educational resources, eToro offers an exceptional trading academy, which features guides, videos, and written articles covering all topics related to trading and investments. The educational resources provided are suitable for beginners, intermediate traders, and experts. There are many detailed how-to guides, and the Trading Academy dashboard makes it easy to find more information about any questions you might have. You can browse their trading podcasts, webinars. There is also a wide variety of educational videos that you can watch at any time. They also provide updated news and analysis panels, as well as in-depth market research PDFs. Traders can stay on top of relevant information that affects their investments with in-depth analysis by a senior market analyst. All the research papers can be downloaded for free. It also offers some analysts' recommendations and market sentiment indicators, good interactive charts, trading ideas, and is very user-friendly. In 2022, eToro is nominated for the following recognition awards, such as the Best Crypto Mobile Trading Application, the Best Forex Broker in Australia, and the Best Copy Trading Platform. Overall, eToro is an all-in-one broker that is regulated by top-tier institutions and offers competitive trading conditions. We recommend eToro for all types of traders, especially if you are interested in social trading, copy trading, stock trading, or crypto trading. This broker is one of the few, if not the only, Forex broker that currently allows cryptocurrencies to be staked on its platform. And we admire how forward-thinking and adaptive eToro is, because there are many benefits to staking crypto. This is also a great option for traders who are eager to refine their trading knowledge and improve their skills, because the eToro Trading Academy offers an abundance of educational resources for all levels of experience. eToro exists as a social trading brokerage firm that places its focus on the provision of copy trading services and takes pride in being the world's best social trading platform in a way it offers investment opportunities in both stocks and digital currencies. And that is our overview of eToro. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.